Are you thinking about starting a hobby farm? Whether you're dreaming of fresh produce or simply more space and peace, here are 7 must-know tips to help you start strong and avoid costly mistakes. Hi friends, I'm Sheila Howell with Realty. Starting a hobby farm is exciting, but where do you begin? Let's walk through 7 essential tips to help you start your hobby farm on the right path with confidence and success. So tip number 1, define your objectives. Start with a really clear goal. So are you looking to be self-sufficient, earn side income, or simply enjoy rural living? Your goals will guide you through finding the land that's the right choice. What's the right land, the setup, the time commitment, all of those are going to come into play when making your decision. Number 2, create a simple plan. Okay, I love detailed plans, but to create a simple plan, even if it's a hobby farm, having a plan helps. Map out what you're going to grow, what animals you want to raise, and how you're going to manage your resources. Planning saves time and money. But don't make it too complicated, because then you'll never get off go. All right, tip number 3, don't get caught off guard. Check your county's zoning laws. So not all properties are allowed to have animals or farming activities, and I help my clients find ones that conform to their needs before they buy. Tip number 4, invest in fencing early. So securing fencing is a must. It protects your animals, it protects your garden, and your sanity. So different animals require different fencing. So you really need to plan accordingly. I can't tell you how many times one of our curious horses decided that the other side of the fence had greener grass. Once I opened the barn door and I found another horse standing there with its head in our feed bin. So really, make sure your fence is up and solid. Okay, so tip number 5, test the soil. Healthy soil is really key to having a productive farm. And testing really helps you know what kind of things you need to add to your soil to have the success based on what you're going to be doing with the land. Tip number 6, plan for water. Water is life. Whether it's irrigation for the crops or water for animals, make sure you have a reliable source and efficient system of getting it there, because you do not want to be carrying water out to the horses in the wintertime. Trust me, I know. All right, tip number 7, start small and scale. So start with just 1 or 2 projects, like a garden or a chicken coop, which those sound easy, but I don't know, sometimes they're pretty challenging. And then build your skills and grow. That keeps it fun, manageable, and it keeps you from being overwhelmed. Not to say that you're never going to be overwhelmed, but it at least reduces that. So anyway, hobby farming is deeply, deeply rewarding. And when it's done right, it is so much more fun. So I'm here to help. If you're thinking about starting your own farm or need the perfect property to get one started, I'm here. I would love to chat about it. I love the country. All right, Sheila Howell, Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.